In an emergency, quick and simple meals are essential. Today I'll show you how to prepare meals with minimal resources and maximize your survival food supply. Start with versatile staples like instant rice, beans, or oatmeal. These can be cooked quickly with just hot water. Add canned proteins like tuna, chicken, or beans to boost nutrition and flavor. Use spices and seasoning packets to improve taste. Even basic items like salt, pepper, and bouillon cubes can turn bland food into something enjoyable. For cooking, portable stoves or canned heat are great options. If you're off-grid, a small campfire or a solar cooker can get the job done. Always practice safe cooking methods in enclosed spaces. Hydration is just as important as food. Use powdered drink mixes or broth to stay hydrated and energized. Finally, plan meals that require little cleanup. Foil packets or one-pot meals save time and conserve water. Preparedness doesn't mean sacrificing taste or nutrition. These simple techniques ensure you'll be ready to cook even in the toughest situations. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.